Hey guys, what's up, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial today I will be teaching you how to sign up for Clickbank in Nigeria or any other Clickbank restricted country. This method works perfectly and I've tested it time and time again. It's pretty easy to do, and if you follow the steps which I will show you in this video, you will have no problems whatsoever creating your own Clickbank account from Nigeria or from any other Clickbank restricted country. So sit back, grab a cup of coffee or some popcorn and watch me do this. Meanwhile, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on my free premium bonuses on this channel. So before I proceed, we'll be needing a couple of tools for this. The first tool we'll be needing is a VPN software to change your IP address, or an RDP server, a remote desktop protocol server. Now this tool is important because we are from countries that are unsupported by Clickbank, or our countries have been blacklisted by Clickbank, and as such the only way for us to create a working Clickbank account is to change our location. So this is why a VPN software or an RDP server will come in handy. And the second tool we'll be needing is a payment withdrawal medium. This should be PayPal or Payoneer. If you don't have a PayPal account, there's a link in the description of this video where you can learn how to create a PayPal account that sends and receives in Nigeria. And I've also added the link to signing up for Payoneer if you want to receive a $150 bonus. Yes, this is real. If you use my link, you will be receiving a $150 sign-up bonus. That's a guarantee. And the third tool you'll be needing is an identity generator. This tool is going to help us generate the details which we will be using to sign up for Clickbank. One more thing, when selecting an IP address to use, I'll advise you to select a UK or German IP. Please don't make use of a USA IP, because if you do, you'll be required to submit your tax identification before you can withdraw your affiliate commission. This doesn't apply to the USA alone, as countries like Canada, who also require tax identification, will also need to submit it before you can withdraw your affiliate commission. So in your best interest, avoid using a USA IP and select from either the UK or Germany. Alright guys, without wasting much of your time, let's just go straight to the business of the day. But first I would need to check if my IP address is in the UK. So to do this, I'll go to my browser and open up whoa.net. This will help me determine my exact location before I proceed to creating my Clickbank account. Awesome, so our page is loaded up and let's see. Okay, so as you can see, my IP address is fixed for the United Kingdom, that's the UK. So now that I'm sure that my IP address is in the UK, I'll just open a new browser and click on and visit www.clickbank.com to sign up for my Clickbank account from Nigeria. So now that I've done this, I'll just wait for the page to load up, the Clickbank home page. Awesome, so we are on the Clickbank home page, and the next thing you're going to do is to click on the sign up button. And scroll down to create account. The email address I want to use, so I just put in my email address. Sorry, I'll need to select my country first, and I'll search for the UK, the United Kingdom, because that's where my IP address is domiciled. So I'll need to create a United Kingdom account. So I'll go for my first name. Remember one more thing, your first name, the names you use should be exactly the same thing you have on your payment medium. If it's your Payoneer account you want to use as your medium of withdrawal for your affiliate commissions, make sure the first and last name corresponds, please. It's very important. So I'll just use mine and impute it there. So I'll scroll down to my email address, the email address I want to use. And for the phone number, we need to generate the UK phone number. This is what I talked about in the identity generator. And to do this, there are two websites I'll recommend to you. The first is called fake name generator. So I visit my browser and click on and visit and open up fake name generator. So I can generate the fake ID which I intend to use. Click on the basic options, and since I'm trying to open up a UK account, I'll click on the United Kingdom, set my gender to male, and the name set should be England and Wales, because I'm trying to create a UK Clickbank account. So I click on create or generate, sorry. Perfect. So I have my details ready, and this is the name, this is the address, this is the location, and this is the postal code or the zip code, and right here is the phone number, the country code. So the details I'll be needing here are just the address, the phone number, the location, and the postal code. So I'll just copy the phone number here and go back to my account sign up page. I paste this here like that, +44, and that's awesome. So now I have to generate a password which I will use, and let me type it where you can see it. Even if you can see it, I'll still change it after this video for security reasons. So just hold up, let me work on my password. Okay, so now that I've added my password, I'll scroll down to the I have read and you need to agree to the terms and conditions. You tick this button. First you have to continue, you have to read them before you can agree. So I just go down to the bottom and said I've accepted the terms and conditions required to sign up for Clickbank. I click on this button, and obviously there's something wrong with my password because it hasn't met up with this remaining field, so I just have to type a new password. Okay, so let me repeat my password and see how I can fix this. Awesome, so my password has met every requirement. So now I just have to click on join Clickbank to move to the next step. Awesome. So I just have to save, and now we are on the next step towards account creation, and it asked me if I want a head start. I said no, I've got this on my own because of time. Okay, so they're asking me now to thank you for your interest in joining Clickbank. The start of your Clickbank digital marketing journey begins now by completing your account profile. Once your profile is complete, our instant account verification check will review your information for approval. So I click on complete my profile. Okay, so let's complete my profile. This is my name, my email address, and the recovery email is optional. You can do that later on. So right now I need to input my street address, my city, and my zip code. So we'll go back to our fake name generator to copy the details which we generated there, and this is my street address, 16 Grenoble Road. So I just copy and paste here, and my city, for the city, let's say, or the location rather, I copy this, and the zip or postal code will go back to the page. This is our zip or postal code. Copy this, go back here, we'll paste it. So for our state, province, or region, you just select whichever one you want to use. So I'll be using Barnsley for mine. So scroll down to the other part. How would you like to be paid? So like I said, you need a payment medium. It could be either PayPal or Payoneer. So I'll be using Payoneer for mine, and for security reasons I would have to pause this page to input my payee name and come back here to continue the video afterwards. Okay, so just give me a few seconds. Alright guys, so I've imputed my payee name. I logged into my Payoneer account to get that. So the next step is to optimize your performance. So right now we're trying to promote product as an affiliate, so click on promote product as an affiliate, and your company annual revenue could just say from 0 to 25k, and click on save to move on to the next step. Perfect, our profile has been updated successfully. We'll click on save again. So it's all done. So our Clickbank account has been created, but there's still a couple of things we need to do to set up our account. So we'll go back to the home, to the dashboard, and right now it's time for us to create an account nickname. Now just so you know, you can have multiple account nicknames in a Clickbank account. Yes, this is possible. So, and this account nickname is what you use to track your earnings and your affiliate commission. So you can create as many as you want, and I'll be taking you through the process here. So go to click account, and we'll click on the create account button. So account type affiliate. Our aim of creating this account is to promote affiliate product. So you click on affiliate, and the nickname, you could just choose a nickname, maybe a combination from the initials of your name. So I'll be saying King, or let me just say the Emperor 22. This nickname is taken, so I'll have to think of something unique, just something unique. So I'll say, let me make this one unique, MGC Awesome. So this nickname is available, and I click on create account. As you can see, your account nickname is the ID for your account. It allows Clickbank to accurately track all your transactions. So my account has been created, and this is all you need to know about creating a Clickbank account from Nigeria or any Clickbank restricted countries. To be sure that our account creation process was successful, I'll go back to my email address, the email address which I used to sign up, to check for the verification link. It should have been sent by now. Awesome. So I've gotten a link from the Clickbank University, so I just click on it. So this is a confirmation that my account has been successfully created. Yes. So as you can see, it's almost done. So they've sent another one, ready, set and grow. So I've been welcome to Clickbank. This shows you that the account creation process was successful. You can see how easy it is to do, and even a newbie can do. So let's go back to our Clickbank account dashboard to see what it looks like. I'll take you through the different stages. So this is the dashboard, and you can see here's a dashboard of my earnings. It's a new account, so there's nothing on it. Here you can select all your accounts, like the account nicknames I told you about. So here's a 14-day check, a 30-day check, and a custom range to show you how much you've earned over a period of time. So this is the master tickets area. Here you can, if you want to contact support. And you can also go through the other sections, which is the profile creation section, to manage your profile. If you want to make any edits or whatsoever, you can do it from here. Perfect. Alright guys, this is all you need to know about creating a Clickbank account in Nigeria. And I believe after having watched this video, you can do this on your own. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be releasing tutorials, how-to videos on different subjects in the future. And this is also goes to help you not to miss out on my free premium giveaways. If you're looking to get started with making money from Clickbank, at least $1,000 per day, you can check out the video description below to learn how it's done. I've added a link to some resources that's going to help you get started. And if you've got any questions regarding Clickbank or any other subject in particular, feel free to contact me via any of my channels below. I've added my contact details in the video description. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye. See you later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share my contents on your social media platforms, and subscribe to my channel.